in Maths online class, Mathematics by Manish Singh. Students, today I will be explaining the new topics of the Mathematics of class 8, which is the percentage and its application. So, students, in this video, this is just introduction of the percentage, and maximum student familiar with the percentage because you have already studied in a previous classes, class 7th. So today I will be just introduce with percentage. Okay, so first, what is the written here? Percent. And student, percent means अगर हम इस word को अलग अलग write कर दें, if you write like as per and cent, what will the meaning of the per? You know that what is the meaning of the per? Per meaning will be 1. Per meaning will be 1 and cent meaning will be 100. Cent meaning will be 100 means then meaning will be means percent means will be means percent means per 100. What? Per 100. क्या होगा? परसेंट मीन्स पर 100. अंडरस्टूड? आप क्या किया, इसको 100 कर दिया, अलग कर दिया, तो क्या हो गया? पर 100. दिस जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द परसेंटेज. एंड सो हाउ वी कैन राइट? सो वी हैव अ सिंबल फॉर द परसेंटेज, एंड सिंबल विल बी, व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ द परसेंट? देन सिंबल ऑफ द परसेंटेज विल बी, सो दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ द परसेंट. ये क्या है? ये सिंबल है आपको यूज करने का. किसका? परसेंट का. हाउ वी कैन राइट द परसेंटेज ऑफ एनी नंबर. सपोज दैट एग्जांपल इज हियर, जस्ट एग्जांपल, इफ रिटन 5%. 5% means, so how we can write this 5%? We can write like as a 5 upon 100. Means if a number denominator you can write as 100, so that number will be in a percent. किस में होगा वो नंबर? परसेंट में. Like as another example, 15%. So how we can write this number? 15 upon 100. Per 100. Per 100. 100 में how many parts of the 100? 15 parts. So this is the percentage form of the symbol. This symbol means, the symbol means a symbol, how we can write? A symbol equals to 1 upon 100. ये symbol अगर हटेगा कहीं नंबर से, so वहां क्या आ जाएगा? 1 upon 100. Understood? Means suppose that if the here is written, हुआ क्या? यहां 5% है. Simply आपने क्या किया? 5 will be same, and जैसे ये symbol हटा तो क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब what is symbol is the symbol value will be equal to 1 upon 100. Okay, and then answer will be 5 upon 100. 5 upon 100. So understood, student? So now we have some rule for how we can convert. Next topic is how we can convert the any percentage in the decimal and fraction, or any fraction and decimal into the percentage, and how we can solve the any fraction in a right in ratio and ratio in a fraction. So look, the rule here is a first rule to convert. What? How we can convert? A rule is to convert fraction. So this is the rule to convert fraction, decimal and percentage. Okay, so first how we can convert any number into the fractions. So first एक फिगर से समझो, उसके बाद रूल मैं बताता हूं आपको कैसे. अब क्या हो जाएगा? सपोज दैट हियर इज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल. ये क्या है? एक ट्रायंगल है. एंड ट्रायंगल व्हाट इज हियर? दिस इज अ डेसिमल. अब ये क्या है? डेसिमल में है. अब फिर क्या? इसको अगर कन्वर्ट करना हो, एंड नाउ हियर इज द व्हाट? हियर इज द is here now. This is the percentage. What is the? So this is the percentage. So how we can convert any percentage into the fraction form or decimal to fraction. So now this is the, and this is the, what is this? This is a fraction. ये क्या है? Fraction है. So we can convert any fraction into decimal and decimal to fraction. So firstly we understand by the figure, then I will give rule in with the statement. Firstly we understand how we can convert. जब आप कोई fraction परसेंटेज को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हो तब क्या होता है, या परसेंटेज को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हो तब क्या होता है, या फिर फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है डेसिमल में परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट होगा तब फिर क्या होगा, या कोई फ्रैक्शन डेसिमल में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा परसेंटेज होगा, ये कैसे होगा. सो लुक हियर, अगर कोई फ्रैक्शन इफ इज हियर, सपोज दैट हियर द फ्रैक्शन इज हियर एंड फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट इन परसेंटेज. अगर हम फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं किसमें, परसेंटेज में, तो होगा क्या, देन बाई मल्टीप्लाई 100. कैसे, वो मल्टीप्लाई 100 बाई मल्टी, अगर आप किसी फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करना किसमें, परसेंटेज में, सो हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट बाय द मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100. और उसी परसेंटेज को अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना हुआ फ्रैक्शन में तो क्या करोगे, डिवाइड बाई 100. हाउ, डिवाइड बाई 100. अंडरस्टूड. देखो अपोजिट हो, दिस इज अपोजिट. आप फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट किए किसमें, परसेंटेज में, तो बाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100. एंड फ्रैक्शन परसेंटेज किसमें कन्वर्ट हुआ, फ्रैक्शन में, मल्टीप्लाई बाई डिवाइड बाई 100. सेम एज हियर. एंड व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट एनी परसेंटेज इनटू डेसिमल, एंड हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट एनी डेसिमल इनटू द परसेंटेज. सो इजीली वी कैन फाइंड द, आप जब किसी परसेंटेज को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट, बाई मल्टीप्लाई, बाई multiply. And how we can convert any decimal into percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, sorry, how we can convert any percentage into decimal, division by 100, divide by 100. कैसे करेंगे, divide by 100. And how we can convert any decimal into the percentage, any decimal into percentage, by the multiply of 100. Understood? So this is a conversion rule of fraction to decimal and decimal to percentage, or percentage to decimal, decimal to fraction. This is a rule, just a rule. If you want you can pause the video and note down each and everything. So this is okay. Now मैं इसको क्या करूंगा, अब एक फॉर्म में रूल राइट कर देंगे. Now have to write the rule. So how we can convert any things, this rule will be, and now first rule, how we can convert any percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. Now rule first rule will be, means how we can convert. So we can convert, to convert a fraction, what, to convert a fraction. अब क्या हो रहा है, to convert a fraction into the percentage, multiply by 100. क्या होगा, multiply by, to convert a fraction or decimal to a percentage, how we can convert, by multiplication. देखो यहां क्या हो रहा है, by multiply, so by percentage multiply by 100. Okay, now the rule second will be, what is the rule second? Rule second will be to convert any percentage in a decimal to in a fraction or decimal, to convert, this is the rule second, to convert, what is it, to convert a percentage to a fraction or decimal, divide by 100. अंडरस्टूड. ये फिगर को इस फॉर्म में राइट कर दिया गया रूल के फॉर्म में. So rule first, how we can convert fraction into the percentage? Multiply by 100. How we can convert in decimal to percentage? Multiply by 100. Understood? So this is the rule first, and this is the rule second. Fraction to percentage multiply by decimal to percentage multiply by 100, and percentage to decimal multiply by divide by 100, and decimal to percentage to fraction divide by 100. Okay, we take some examples about this rule. So first example, look here. What will be example first? Like as here example is given, example 1. What is given? Suppose the question is saying क्या कर रहा है, convert fraction को, या फिर कोई fraction है 7/5. Question is saying 7/5 convert in a percentage form. So how we can convert 7/5 into percentage form? Multiply by 100. Okay, क्या कर रहा है? First rule आप क्या करोगे? Multiply by 100. And you know how we can multiply 5 ones are and 5 20s are. 5 20s are 100, 25s are 100. And what is left here? 7 multiplied by 20. And then we get 140%. Understood? जैसे आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, आपको कन्वर्ट करना किस में? परसेंटेज में. And this example by another example number 2, same as if the decimal is here given. So how we can convert? Suppose that here is given 0.12. Then question is saying convert in fraction form. So how we can convert in fraction form? So look here. What is here? Decimal 0.12. And how we can convert? Multiply by 100. So 0.12 multiply by 100 को जैसे करोगे ये क्या आ जाएगा? परसेंटेज फॉर्म में. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1200 and the decimal using after 2 digit, then we get the 12%. And when we convert any number in a percentage, then always you use the percentage symbol. Understood? And this is the percentage symbol. When we convert any percentage into a fraction, decimal or fraction form, then we use the symbol of the percentage. Now on the example of second rule, means अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना कोई परसेंटेज ऑफ फ्रैक्शन में या फिर डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में, कैसे करोगे? ओके, सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल विल बी हियर. एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Suppose we take the any example, convert any fraction like as a 20%. What is given? Here is given 20% and convert. Question is saying convert in a fraction form. So how we can convert? आप क्या कर रहा है? रूल 2. व्हाट इज रूल 2? दिस इज रूल 2. डिवाइड बाय 100. फ्रैक्शन और परसेंटेज वो क्या होगा? वो परसेंटेज किससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा? 100 से. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? 20%. when we convert 20%, so how we can convert 20% into fraction form? Divide by 100 means 20 upon 100. Understood? 20 upon 100. Then question is saying convert in fraction form. And when we convert in a fraction form, keep in mind one thing. जब आप convert करोगे fraction form में, then you always write the answer in a simplest form. In which form? Simplest form. And how we can write the simplest form? You know, because this is a fraction. 0 is cancelled. What is left here? Here is left 2 upon 10. Now 2 ones are, 2 fives are. And then answer will be 1 upon 5. Both are equal. 20% means you can write equals to 1 upon 5. Suppose that question is asking is 20% is equals to 1 upon 5. Yes, 20% is equal to 1 upon 5 because when we convert 20% then you get the 1 upon 5. Understood? And now we take the another example. If a decimal is here, question करा decimal में convert करिए तो क्या करोगे आप? We take the another example and example will be, कोई example ले लो आप, like as a example 0. This is a fraction form में convert करना है. So how we can convert? Like as here the 3%. Then question is saying convert in decimal form. So how we can convert? You know by division method. By division method, divide by which number? When we divide by 100 then we get the number. और डिवाइड कर दो इसको 100 से. कन्वर्ट किसे करना है, डेसिमल में। क्या हो जाएगा जब इसको कन्वर्ट करोगे, हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट, डिवाइड बाय 100, देन वी गेट 3/100, 3/100, बट दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म। क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग इन अ डेसिमल फॉर्म। सो कैसे कर सकते हो आप इसको बताओ। वी कैन कन्वर्ट बाय द rule of decimal. How we can convert any fraction into decimal form? If denominators 10 are multiple are 10, means what is the denominator is 100 and what is the number here 3, and you know, write the 3 here, and decimal we using after 2 digit. From the right hand side 3 we need the 1 digit, so we can use the 0 and then answer will be 0.03 decimal form. This is decimal form, not fraction form. This is 0.3, then answer will be 0.03. Understood? So this is the rule about the how we can convert any fraction into the percentage, or any decimal into the percentage, or any percentage into the fraction and any percentage into the decimal. Understood? Now next and last topic today is what, how we can convert any ratio or any fraction into the ratio, or ratio into the fraction. This is the last topic of the today, and you can you pause the video and you can write down. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके राइट कर सकते हो। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट, नेक्स्ट इज अ रेशियो टू percentage and percentage to ratio. If here is given what, a number, next is the third rule, ratio to percentage. Understood? Means ratio, you know that what is given, yes, 2 is to 5, and then question is saying convert this ratio is in a percentage form. So how we know that ratio means fraction, so how we can convert? So if you remember ratio chapter, so you can easily convert. So firstly will we write the ratio in fraction form, 2/5, yes or no? Yes, 2/5, okay, and then this is now fraction form. सेम रूल अप्लाई कर दो। आपके अगर फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म से परसेंटेज फॉर्म करना इजी है, बाय मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100। जैसे आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे देन यू यूज द आउट ऑफ ब्रैकेट परसेंटेज साइन, 5 1 जा 5 20 जा, देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 परसेंटेज, एंड देन आंसर विल बी 40%. Mean you can write this here what, 2:5 equals to 40%. Yes or no? Means both value will be equal. Yes, both value will be equal. So ये rule हो गया ratio to percentage. अब percentage to ratio just opposite. Percentage, how we can write in percentage? So this is just opposite of the this rule, ratio to percentage. You can write the ratio to percentage example. And now this is the last rule of the introduction of percentage. What is this is the fourth rule, and percentage to ratio. How we can convert any percentage in the ratio? So you have to rule same as example is here. One example is here, and example what? Example will be, suppose that here given the any percentage 25. What is here given? 25, and then question is saying convert the 25 in a ratio form. So how we can convert 25 in ratio form? Easily. अब कोई रेशियो कैसे मिलता है? जब कोई नंबर फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, देखो रेशियो मींस वी कैन रेशियो इन द फोर फॉर्म, 2/5 जो लास्ट का आंसर आता है 2/5, 2:5 and 2:5 in 3 form. So this is the ratio. All these are number are equal. ये सारे नंबर क्या हैं? इक्वल हैं, तो इनको हम इस फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हैं। मींस ये हुआ कि आप 25% को, so how we can convert any percent in the ratio? Firstly we convert the ratio in a fraction form. So how we can convert? By using the second rule, dividing by 100. Understood? And then this number write in a simplest form, 25 ones are 25 fours are, and what you get here, 1 upon 4. So this is the fraction, and you can also write the fraction in ratio form. How? Numerator always write as a first term. You know that numerator always write will be first term 1, and denominator always will be write the second term 1 is to 4. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, students. So students, this was all about for today. So everyone watch the full video, then you can understand the introduction of the percentage. So your homework will be by which book? Composite Mathematics of Aschanth Publications. Understood? SW exercise 7A, question number 1 and 2. So this is your homework. You solve the questions and you have to write the 3 or 4 questions answer in a comment box. So student, thank you and take care.